Hello YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I think it's about time we get some exploring stuff done. What are you saying? Apologies for all the car related stuff at the minute. Just getting done what we can get done. Time is of the essence, but I tell you what, we're in Cyprus, there's a shipwreck, enough for me. Check this, because this is mind-blowing, if you know what I'm saying. Not often do you get to come along and see this literally beached at the side of the road, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, mind-blowing, honest to God, mind-blowing. So let's tell you a little bit of information about this then, yeah? The Edro 3, as you can see down there, was built in 1966. It's a Norwegian ship, I do believe. Now going back in, I think it was 2011, it was in heavy seas, and it just run aground in a storm basically, here in Paphos in Cyprus. It was carrying a load of plasterboard at the time, and I think it was only like 9 crew on it as well, which the majority of which were Albanians. And yeah, they came along and just rescued them. The British helicopter. Do you know what I'm saying, how crazy this is? Obviously the old explorer in me, right, would just love to get on board. As you can see, people are doing a bit of graffiti on there, and the majority of it is going to be above the water level, if you know what I'm saying. But do you know, that's blowing my mind. Obviously I'm guessing it's been stripped of any cargo that's worth salvaging. It's been vandalized. You can see the crane is all smashed up over there. And yeah, I'm guessing all like the expensive stuff has been taken, but come on, that's still worth tens of thousands in scrap. But when you come and work it out, I guess the salvage costs, etc., it's probably not worth doing it. But this is mind-blowing. Let's take on a little look at the back of it as well. But there's not many places like this that you can come along and just see those megs that I was getting in the way. That's all right, we'll allow her to do it, innit? But how are we all doing? Drop it down in the comments, yeah? Where are you watching this video from? Be interested to see. But yeah, check it, I love this. So what we're going to do, right guys, we're going to have a little walk down here, and I tell you what, this loose gravel with Converse, it hits different, you know, so you might actually have me falling into the water. If I'm getting wet, then we're going to get on the ship anyway, right? That's my logic with it. But yeah, just check that. Been lucky enough to explore some incredible things over the last, what, 12, 13 years or however long it is. We're all getting old, aren't we? But look at the water as well, how clear that is. That's gorgeous. Literally, you could wade out to that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's remarkable. There's a lot of exciting stuff, right, from Cyprus that's going to be coming up onto this channel. But this is one thing I wanted to share with you all, because let's be honest, that's pretty damn cool, isn't it? I tell you what, exploring boss, stay tuned, because there's a lot of exciting stuff coming, and there's a drop coming which I cannot wait for. You've got to be here for that, and you're all going to want to get involved with it, because it's the start of an old path reuniting, is what I'm going to say. But anyway, this is Boss, we're here in Cyprus, Shipwreck, we're getting it done. Smash like on that video. I tell you what, if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please consider it. But until next time, I'm done. Boosh.